student, here we will do matrix match here for redox reaction, column 1 and column 2. Here in chemical reaction, redox reaction is given. Cl negative to ClO4 1 negative, Cr3 positive to CrO5, H2O2 to O2, Cr2 2 negative to CrO4 2 negative. Options are given 2, 8, 0, 3. And here T is diamagnetic, changes to paramagnetic. Now Cl1 negative to ClO4 1 negative, oxidation state increase by 8, because -0 -1 to 7, so it will be total 8. Okay, count it. So means A is responsible for Q. A and Q are interrelated. A goes to Q, I am writing, that is equal to 8. Yeah, 8 is 2. Now second, Cr3 positive to CrO5. So here it is butterfly structure. There is peroxide linkage C. These peroxide ions are there. Here the peroxide ion, each oxygen carrying -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. And double bonded oxygen is having -2 oxidation state. So total Cr is having +6 oxidation state. So here Cr3 positive to Cr +6 positive. So increase by 3, oxidation state increased by 3. So B is having 3 answer, that is S. Okay, B is having 3, that is Cr3 positive increased by 3, so 3. O2 2 negative is converted into O2 by loss of 2 electron. So -2 to 0, so oxidation number increased by 2. And here C, this is C, okay, and it is having P. Where is P? Here P. P as well as T is correct. Why I am saying so? Because O2 2 negative is paramagnetic, this is diamagnetic, and oxygen is paramagnetic. In oxygen there are total 16 electrons, so on 2 electrons unpaired. 2py1, 2px1. Okay, 2px1. So there are 2 unpaired electrons, anti-bonding. These are anti-bonding. Clear? Here all electrons are paired up, so it is diamagnetic. So for C, where is C? H2O2. So for C, T as well as 2 is there. Cr2 7, there is no change in oxidation state. Because it is +6 oxidation state, it is also +6, so 0 oxidation state. Very tricky was H2O2. Okay, because here oxidation number increased by 2, as well as diamagnetic character changes to paramagnetic character. So main 2 options are right, P and T. Clear? And rest are +8 oxidation state here, +3 oxidation state here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if